Here's a 2018 Genesis G80. Even at a standstill, this luxury performance sedan appears to be in motion. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather sport seats, doors and push-button start proximity key, smart trunk hands-free liftgate, automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, external memory control, dual zone climate control, height adjustable automatic suspension, driver and passenger front seat mounted and rear side impact airbags, and power heated mirrors. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.